If you have an import from China with 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to use 1688 for shipping goods from China to Cameroon without any stress. So let's. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba, or pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to be a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, or you want me to fund your Alipay, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to use 1688 shopping app to import goods from China to Cameroon. So let's see. The very first thing you need to do is head over to your 1688 shopping app. So I'm going to click right here to open up my 1688 shopping app. Then after you open up your 1688 shopping app, it's going to load up like so. Next thing you need to do is to search for the right product that you want to import from China with 1688. There are so many ways to do that. One of the first way, you can simply scroll down. The more you scroll down, the more different products is going to load up from different supplier. Alternatively, you can come to the top right here where you type in the product name right here, and then you are going to see a lot of similar results as far as the keyword of the product you enter into the search engine right here is concerned. Alternatively, you can make use of this camera icon, which stands for image search. What you do right here is to simply click on this camera icon, upload the picture sample of the product, or you live scan the picture of this sample product, and from there you see a similar result. Alternatively, you can click on this new right here, which allow you to see new product uploaded on 1688 across different supplier in China. The more you scroll down, the more you see different types of products as far as this section is concerned. You can also go back from the home page right here, and from the top right here, this is where you see all manufacturers from different region in China. Everything is going to be looked up right here. So now from here, you can simply choose any of the supplier you would like to make a purchase from. Like from this particular supplier, this store right here, I'm going to make a purchase from them. What you want to do, so we need to make sure that we click on the product link. So I'm going to click on here to open up the product link. Now we open up the product link, it's taking me to their store. Then from their store section right here, I can simply select the right product I want to simply make a purchase from. So you can see everything in the store right here. Then the more you scroll down, the more the different product is going to load up. This depends on the number of products this particular store have in their warehouse, just like so. So what we want to do now is to simply click on the product right here and go ahead and make a purchase. So if we click on a particular product link, it's going to load up and open up in their sales page right here. So from here, you can simply proceed to add the product to cart. So from this store right here, what we want to do, so from this store right here, we need to add a product to cart. And for us to do that, we click on here. So it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to select the size from these options right here. So here's the size I need right here. S10, 20, 30 by 30 centimeter. So what we need to do is to simply click on here to add the quantity to cart. So I'm going to simply click on here. So I need 32 pieces of this. So this is going to pump up. Then I'll enter 32 and I'll click on OK. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to add it to cart successfully. So having added the item to cart, next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to open up my cart. So we have it right here. Next thing we want to do is to simply click on here to select the goods. The next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to proceed to checkout. So it's going to take me right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to proceed to payment. Then right here, I enter my payment password. Just like what you see right there, payment done successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to close this pump up. So here is the proof of payment. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to also close this pump up. Then I'm going to go back to my profile, Then for me to visit my profile, I need to click on here. Then from my profile section right here, I need to click on here. Then we have the product right here. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to import goods from China to Cameroon with 1688. I hope you really got value for this video. Find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to import from China with 1688, consider to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you in my next video.